What's good, YouTube? Back with another unboxing. Sit tight. I'm gonna crack it open. I hope everyone's enjoying a day. Let's see what this looking like. All right. Yeah. All right, Adidas. Got two boxes. Let's start with the small one first. This is the wifey's. Oh, yeah. Wow, these are nice. These are nice. Yeah. See what the other one look like. It also came with an extra set of laces. Oh yeah. These are nice. I have this shoe also upstairs. You can see the leather on there, that tumble leather. Suede on the toe. Yeah, these are real nice. Yeah. Alright, let's get off into mine. Let's see what I got here. Oh yeah, some old school joints. Let's grab the other one out real quick. Oh yeah, these are nice. Alright. Yo, check it out. If you got a Facebook account, go to my Kicks So Fresh and join that group. Kicks So Fresh. Also check out Original Adidas Group. That's my Adidas group. We almost at 50K. And also my Adidas Top 10 group. Yep. Yeah, these are real nice. Old school. Oh yeah. Now you know that's old school. Thank you guys for tuning in. I truly appreciate you stopping by. It's the OG, and I'm gonna get up out of here.